Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we got to look at the KD13. Before we get into the review, just want to let you guys know to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. With all that said, let's get into the review. So we've got to look at the KD13 in the chill colorway, and let's have a look at the box first because I think this is really cool. Personally, me and Jeff don't like Kevin Durant. He left Oklahoma to go to the Warriors. Now he's at Nets, hence why it's number 7. So this is going to be like the first look at him as number 7. You're not going to see number 35 on the shoe anymore. I think this is a really nice box as well, despite my disdain for Kevin Durant. So we have this KD13 in the US size 8.5. UK 7.5 and the European 42, and it is known as the chill colorway, but on the official tag here it says washed coral and barely volt. And let's get opening. Here we go. Really nice. I'm not gonna lie, I do like this kind of basketball shoe. It's really nice, and according to many YouTubers, reviewers, they think that this is one of the best shoes on the market in regards to hooping. So I just want to mention first why it's called Chill. Now Nike mentions that it's based on his love for an R&B album. I don't know what R&B album it was, and I love music like many people do. And I can't put a finger as to what album cover this is, but I think it might be the chill, like lo-fi hip-hop station that you see on YouTube with that little girl like studying. I think it's that, because that's what this colorway reminds me of anyway. But with all that said, let's just get into the shoe. So at the outsole, it is I want to say it's a multi-directional, but it's all rubber here. There was complaints about the KD12 gathering a lot of dust, so what this has done is allowed, with the little grooves, that dust wouldn't go there. You got a nice like KD signature plate here, air zoom in the forefront as well, and this is all rubber as well, by the way. Going along the midsole, so this whole midsole is Phylon, like little beads of EVA. So this is, surprisingly, it's quite light. And I know we can't like open and lift the shoe for you, but inside the insole, there's a massive zoom air strobe board, which is why it's got the air zoom technology in it. So you've got that comfort every time you like step off your feet. It's embedded in your feet actually, so you can feel it right underneath your feet. So the whole upper is all textile. I don't know if it is mesh or ripstop, but it feels like imitation of ripstop. Along that, you've got the support from like these little, it's all synthetic levers supporting here with the overlays with the swoosh and the lace grip as well here. If we go towards the heel, there's no pull tab, so I'm going to see what it's like getting my feet on when I do the on feet. But you got the KD logo there, and still the nice overlay for the lacing system there as well. Going along the laces and the tongue, so you got a normal lace system, and the tongue is all foam, and you got the Kevin Durant logo. I mean, it's just like a normal font, but with number 7 to show you that is his new number. He's number 7 for the Brooklyn Nets now. So no more 35. He's now starting a new chapter in his life as number 7. Now, my, again, disdain for KD aside, he keeps dropping great trainers, sneakers, basketball shoes, whatever you want to call them. And reviews have come thick and fast, and like they're loved. Apparently they got great traction. I'll show you what that means when I do that on feet again. But it's another great basketball shoe to try on, similar to the PG4s that we've done in regards to like strobe boards and all the materials. but it's another Nike basketball shoe that we can't wait to show you guys. So here we go, let's try on. Now, I don't know if you could tell by that footage there, it was a bit of a struggle to get my feet in. The lack of pull tab is noticeable, and I had to undo some laces just to slip in. With all that said, you know, point of entry, that was difficult. It's a bit tight, so if I was to recommend getting a pair, get a size, half size up, because it's really tight right here, right under the tongue area, right there. But if that's what I'm going for, if you want a snug fit, if that's how you play with ball, then get your true to size. It's just gonna hurt a tiny bit at the top of your feet area. Other than that, nice grip, nice traction there, and it's a really cool like design. But other than that, would I play in it? Probably not. I think I'm a big fan of the PG4s. Those are more comfy. Like, it was a more lockdown system as well, but it's similar technologies. All that said, let's give you the 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.